My name is Allison McPartlon, and I am the mentor teacher here at UNM Kids Campus.
I am Jessica Trujillo, and I am the preschool teacher at UNM Kids Campus.
We serve 63 families on average in our Taos community and have children from 6 weeks to 5 years of age.
We work collaboratively to create, implement, and reflect on children's learning experiences and environments that tap into the natural curiosity and excitement to build 21st century skills. We know that young children are curious and excited learners. We view them as competent and capable learners who have the abilities to develop critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication skills.
At UNM Kids Campus, we strive to build 21st century skills. We do this by supporting critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and creativity through the use of technology. Our hope is to build a school environment where children learn to use technology that is developmentally appropriate.
When we implement technology, we are aware of a child's developmental age, their level of development, and their culture. We intentionally implement technology by observing children, learning their interests, and basing it on individual learning goals. We believe technology is a tool to enhance creativity and gather information on young children.
The use of technology can help you create an interactive learning environment where children have the opportunity to build on what they know and to be introduced to new concepts and content. It is important to observe children and know the children before implementing technology into the classroom. Knowledge of children is important because we want technology to be a meaningful tool for children.
Technology as a tool for critical thinking means that we are asking children questions. We are not only putting a child in front of a computer, instead we are including a mix of activities based on children's interests in a variety of experiences using technology in small groups, exploring in pairs, and using technology as a tool to aid in further exploration.
Technology is like any other new material presented into the classroom. This means that we must teach young children how to use the material. Children must be developmentally ready to use the tool, and small groups is essential when working with young children.
When we provide opportunities for children to play and interact with technology, as we also implement the use of other materials, this creates opportunities to solve problems and innovate together. According to Brock, one of the most overwhelming elements of teaching with emerging technologies is deciding which tool or tools you should try.
The use of the overhead projector can create a welcoming environment where children are encouraged and represented to create a strong self-image. Each group is allowed to explore technology at their own developmental level, meaning it is important to provide space for the process without rushing to the product.
To further the exploration and creativity of the self-image, we use technology for self-reflection. Allowing children to revisit their individual and group learning experiences supports collaboration, creativity, communication, and critical thinking.
Collaboration with the use of technology is a key part of using technology as a tool to create 21st century skills in early childhood settings. When engaged in collaboration, children will observe others and will imitate or build on what they observe. They gain social and emotional skills when they make efforts to share ideas and hypothesize together. They learn perspective when they manipulate the computer.
Children see technology being used everywhere, and they observe how it is an integral part of day-to-day life in the 21st century. Technology is a tool as young children are learning, and it is vital that we support them in learning how to use this tool for learning.
Our community is also supporting children as they learn through technology. Our community hosts the Paseo Art Project every fall here in Taos, New Mexico. The opportunity provides children with informational learning experiences within the content of their families and community.
Families are children's first teacher, and they learn to interpret the world through their families. Taking advantage of opportunities to teach about 21st century skills within the context of their family and community helps children make connections to the larger world.
95% of the brain is developed within the first 5 years of life, and a large body of research shows that early experiences have a major impact on the child's brain development. It is important that children have a wide range of experiences and interactions during their first years of life.
As quoted by Baldwin and D'Amico in Technology and Early Literacy in Early Childhood, at the end of the first decade of the 21st century, there is no shortage of scholars striving to better understand the substance and impact the way new technology tools are transforming our thinking, interactions, and lives.
Thank you so much for the opportunity to present on using technology as a tool to create 21st century skills. The photos that you have seen that are not cited in this presentation were taken here at UNM Kids Campus by Jessica and I.